Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is Abbot. 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 Abbot is a male leader or superior of a monastery or abbey, typically in Christian religious traditions. The role of an abbot is to provide spiritual guidance to the monks in the monastery and oversee the administration of the religious community. Examples: 1. The abbot of the monastery is known for his wisdom and devotion to prayer. In this sentence, abbot refers to the male leader of the monastery, known for his spiritual qualities. 2. The abbot and the monks gather in the chapel for daily prayers. Here, abbot is mentioned in the context of the religious leader and his role in leading communal prayers. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.